Hey guys, I'm Lars from the Blizzard, and today I want to show you two of our new tracks coming on Armada, A State of Trance in March. So the first track I'm going to play for you is a track called Morning View. Sounds something like this. So that was Morning View, the first track in our new EP on Armada. And then the next track is called You and I. Hope you like those tracks. Be sure to check them out on A State of Trance, coming out on Armada the 8th of March. See you.